So a question that I've seen a couple people bring up is basically, can you connect ear tips to your AirPods 4s? Meaning that the ear tips that you actually get inside of your AirPods Pros, like these ones, can you actually go and connect the ear tips to your AirPods 4s? And the short answer of that is no. Now, there might be some customizable ones you can buy online that might fit into here somehow, but they will not fit in there, just like how standard ear tips will basically, like the ones you buy inside of the Apple Store or the ones that work for your AirPods, those will not natively work inside of your AirPods 4s. So keep that in mind. Now, the way these AirPods, Pros, these ear tips kind of work is that there's a mechanism inside. It's kind of hard to tell like from here, but there's a little mechanism inside that allows these ear tips to basically connect. And it's not a flat thing like this. You know how this one's like open like this? It's not like that here. It's like a little like part that sticks out. So the way this one works is basically you go and take these things out and then you can plug them in just like that. But it's not the same opening. Like you can't put these things in your ear like and have them and expect these things to work like that. You will need these ear tips on the AirPods Pros. But that's why on the AirPods 4s, it's a little bit different because these ones have a big, massive opening, and those ear tips will not work natively inside of these ones. So the short answer of that is no. Those ear tips, like these ear tips that you basically get on your AirPod Pros, like these ones, will not go ahead and work inside of AirPods 4s. So you can try it, but it's not going to work for you. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.